Alright guys, so let's today have a look at what an element is, a compound, and a mixture. So it means we're also going to look at what a pure substance is. But we'll start with pure and impure substances actually. So a pure substance is a substance with fixed composition or properties, and properties actually. It cannot be decomposed by physical means. This means it is an element and a compound. One thing that's not mentioned there, which probably should, a pure substance has only one substance in there. So there's nothing else in there mixing it up. Now I know that seems super basic, but we're putting that really basic one in there just to make sure that it all sticks. And copper wire here is an example of a pure substance. There's nothing else in it. It's just copper. An impure substance has a variable composition and variable properties. For example, the boiling point of an alloy, which is a mixture of two metals, changes depending on how much of each metal is in there. They can be separated physically. This means they're a mixture. Okay, so when we talk about separating a mixture physically, we might be talking about filtration, etc. One of those physical separations where we're not actually making a new substance. So what is an element, a compound, and a mixture? Let's really get down to the individual components. Basically, an element is the simplest pure substance. It is made up of one type of particle, one type of atom. You can have diatomic elements, such as oxygen gas, or you can have monatomic elements, such as helium. They cannot be decomposed into different substances. So for example, you could actually break down oxygen gas into oxygen ions, oxygen free radicals, but they're still oxygen. So oxygen, silver, etc. Anything that you see on the periodic table essentially is an element. Then you have compounds. These are also a pure substance, but they're pure substances composed of two or more types of atom or types of particle, and they are bonded. They are stuck together in a fixed ratio. They can be chemically separated. All right. And examples of these are water, silicon dioxide, carbon dioxide, salt, so sodium chloride, and so forth. A mixture, on the other hand, is an impure substance. It doesn't have a fixed ratio or fixed properties. It must be composed of more than one substance, and it's able to be physically separated. This means those substances aren't chemically bonded together. Examples of these are air, steel, sand, brass, milk from the previous page, and so forth. Hope that made sense. If there are any questions, you ask them in the questions below and we'll get back to you as quick as we can. See you next time.